Can you repeat the question, counsel?
You confirmed that there was a certification dated February 5, 2025. You likewise confirmed that in said certification,
Your Honor, compound question.
there's no question.
Wait.
Kindly wait for the presiding officer to recognize you before answering.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Much
Please,
obliged, Your Honor,
counsel
please.
for the prosecutors, please finish with your objection.
Thank you so much. Can I?
Yes,
Your
please
Honor,
proceed, counsel.
Compound questions. The witness is now being confronted with two successive questions without allowing this witness to answer the first question.
The earlier affidavit of investigation was subject to 7 recommendations from the DOJ
Vague, Your
for
Honor, please,
case build-up.
objection vague. The earlier investigation, which investigation is the counsel referring to?
We already
Objection vague.
We already established, Your Honor, there was an earlier one. This is
Overruled again. The witness is competent enough to testify. Overruled witness. Kindly proceed with your question, counsel.
Yes. In the revised affidavit of investigation dated February 10, 2025, that you identified, despite DOJ's recommendation number 6 that you earlier read,
Objection, Your Honor,
there,
objection.
Sir, Your Honor, I'm not
If
yet
the
finished.
ground is
Can we
already-
wait for the counsel to finish with this question, counsel, please?
Okay, Your Honor.
The question. He already answered, Your Honor. Thank you. You earlier confirmed that there was actually a certification dated February 5, 2025. You likewise.
Objection, misleading. I don't
I have no
remember
question,
this
Your Honor.
witness
Let
stating
the
that there
counsel
was-
finish with this question, counsel.
Enzorecto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Your Honor, can I make a manifestation, Your Honor, please?
Your Honor, can we object again to this manifestation?
Manifestation. I will not even object. I'm being generous. Your Honor,
Counsel,
wit-
let's wait for the witness to review it. It's a voluminous document.
Ano,
The signature is on the last page. You can make the corresponding objection to
your signature
the
is
style, manner, or cross-examination of the counsel for responding at the proper time.
Signature. Ano na tayo? Ayan po. Is this the amended affidavit of investigation?
This is a photocopy of the
Yes, sir.
affidavit, sir.
This is the amended one. yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
The photocopy, sir.
Thank you.
With the permission of counsel, Mr. Calilong, what was the date of the first affidavit you submitted that was returned by the DOJ to the NBI?
As far as I remember, January 30, and was when the certification was issued, we complied with the requirements and submitted it on February 10.
Have you
there's a revision.
identified that affidavit of investigation dated January 30 in yesterday's proceedings? No. Yes or no?
Sir?
Have you identified the January 30?
The one that I identified, Your Honor, is the authentication, Your Honor.
Not the affidavit of investigation. So you have not done so.
Yes, sir.
This one, you have not done so too.
Yes, Your Honor.
For the record, counsel, you may proceed.
I'm showing you now a letter dated January 30 from the former NBI Director Jaime Santiago.
now I have to object, Your Honor, please. You know, the defense has been confronting this witness with documents, even without marking and identifying the source of these documents.
Your
It's
Honor,
like
that's-
plucking out of thin air a document, presenting them the document to the witness, and withdrawing the document
Your Honor, that's up
without
to the...
even introducing this piece of evidence, this piece of exhibits into evidence. So my question is, through the presiding officer, is the defense not entering these documents into evidence please.
They can do the proper time insofar. And the basis was said that only bit of investigation in connection with this case. Now it seems that there are two affidavits,
I would like to make
both of which have not yet been presented, I think, by Attorney Lotok. First one, we're not aware of it. Is that correct, counsel for the respondent?
Your Honor, he just identified a copy of the affidavit of investigation.
Dated January 30?
April 10, 2025.
April,
February 10. Sorry, Your Honor. February 10.
February 10. Your Honor, please.
What about?
Yes, Your Honor. Not yet.
Not yet.
Yes.
You only cited a January 30 letter of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
former NBI
I cited, Your Honor, a
Director.
certification by the DOJ returning an affidavit.
And that is, Your Honor, in fact, even I am confused because the documents are not introduced into evidence by the defense.
Counsel, please,
As an-
please proceed and kindly help the court to be clarified
you.
regarding this matter.
You mentioned that you mentioned that you were the judge wrote to the office of the prosecutor general submitting a revised affidavit of investigation on February 11, 2025. I'm showing you now that dated February. For the record, this is Exhibit D-4-43
Of
for the defense.
up for pre-marked, I
Pre-marked.
suppose. Because when you say marked as evidence for it's not yet. Your turn has. You have yet to present the your exhibit, so it should be pre-marked, Your Honor, please.
No, it's pre-marked, and I believe both the defense and the respondent and the prosecution also have common pieces of evidence which you decided during pre-trial. This is not one of them, which you decided during pre-trial to be marked
It's
separately.
not one of those few common pieces of evidence.
Yes, there are a few.
Sir,
Respondent,
there's a signature above the name Judge Jaime B. Santiago. Whose signature is that?
Your Honor, now I would like to object to the relevance. A letter is being, the witness is being confronted with a letter coming from the former NBI Director, Judge Jaime B. Santiago, and this witness is now being asked to identify whose signature is that. That's obvious.
I'll allow it
Honor.
as far as your ability to test the credibility and the accuracy of the witness is concerned. In the meantime, I'll allow it. Kindly show the.
Sir, who's
As far as I remember, signature of Director Santiago, sir.
Thank you. On the last line of the page, take a look. Last line. It says, and I quote, "To support our recommendations attached herein is the revised affidavit of investigation, including its attachments." Did you see that, Agent? Thank you. And you, November, the former NBI Director, Jaime Santiago, wrote to the Prosecutor General, Richard Anthony, a letter dated January 30, 2025. This is one of the documents that you submitted to the Committee on Justice, correct? I will now have this flash. Do you recall this document?
Yes, sir.
February 10, 2025, correct?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Ask
Counsel
an
for
answer,
the
Your Honor.
prosecutor.
Your Honor, the witness being asked
Your Honor, ask an answer.
first. Relevance, Your Honor. Relevance.
Counsel, if the witness knows and the counsel for respondent will be given the latitude to test the credibility, accuracy, and completeness of the testimony of the note. Your continuation, because you illustrated in regard to questioning by the
I'm very
counsel for the
patient, Your Honor,
respondent.
please. I'm very patient.
The counsel for respondent may answer.
He already answered, Your Honor. Thank you. You earlier confirmed that there was actually a certification dated February 5, 2020. Like, well,
Objection of being
no
Amber,
question,
this
Your Honor.
witness.
Let
stating
the
that there
counsel
was-
finish with this question, counsel.
He even read it, Your Honor. You likewise confirmed that in that said certification, dated February 5, 2025, the earlier affidavit of investigation were recommended and confirmed that you
Objection. Mr. Please. Now the counsel mentioned 7 grounds. 7 grounds. And I don't remember witness uttering the term and ground. What I is this witness verification, a letter, whatever, but now the counsel is now asking this witness, the certification is leading.
No,
That's
you're-
not allowed during cross. The counsel is now assuming facts that have yet to be established. Can I repeat that? This witness only confronted with certificate and this dated. Now, counsel now asking.
Please,
confirm,
he's
do you
now
confirm-
testified.
Wait. Asking witness to confirm that in that letter there are 7 grounds, as if this witness uttered those words. Definition. This counsel is assuming facts that have yet to be established through this witness, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, again, the witness is he can handle himself and would know how to answer if indeed he is familiar or not with what is being presented to him. And thus far, he has responded on his knowledge of documents. Chair will allow it. Witness
you,
may answer.
Sir,
Can you repeat the question, counsel?
you can a certification dated February 5, 2025. You likewise confirmed that in said certification,
Your Honor, compound question. Compound.
there's no question.
Wait.
Research it before answer.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Much
Please,
obliged, Your Honor,
counsel
please.
for the prosecutors, please finish with your objection.
Thank you so much. Can I?
Yes,
Your
please
Honor,
proceed, counsel.
compound questions now being confronted with 2 successive questions without allowed to ask question. What makes a compound question?
No need to lecture, counsel. Counsel for respondent, please reform.
Your Honor, I had no question. I had no question yet.
Kindly proceed.
The earlier affidavit of investigation was subject to 7 recommendations from the DOJ
Vague, Your
for
Honor, please.
case build-up.
Objection vague. The earlier investigation, which investigation is the counsel referring to?
We already
Objection vague.
an earlier one.
Competent enough to testify. Kindly proceed with your question, counsel.
Yes. In the revised affidavit, investigation dated 25, despite DOJ's recommendation number 6 that you earlier read,
Objection, Your Honor.
there,
Objection.
Sir, Your Honor, I'm not
If
yet
the
finished.
ground is
Can we
already-
wait for the counsel question, counsel?
Okay, Your Honor.
We're still affidavit list from the media outlets in your affidavit of investigation dated February 10.
Witness, not answer first. Objection, Your Honor, please. Misleading.
Why is
They-
it misleading, counsel?
the earlier affidavit of he referred to investigation that is the final affidavit submitted to the misleading, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
The presiding officer, you attach the
said
affidavits
revised, right?
of the two witnesses that viewed the video of the Vice President in the February 10 affidavit.
Yes, sir. Let's sir, in number 6.
You may do so.
In number, sir, an affidavit parting of the minutes, executed an affidavit attesting to those minutes, sir, which I'm part of the interview, sir.
But was it attached to February 10 affidavit? Respondent.
but there are no outlets from the media outlets, correct? My question is not found there, Your Honor.
Oh, Your Honor, please.
My question is not
Your
found
Honor,
there.
okay. Is confronting the witness with a document, and he propounded
I
questions,
was
and then
not-
he asked another question, and he took the document away. Objection,
not-
Your Honor, please.
My question is plain, Your Honor.
Let the
you-
witness peruse the document. Answer that through
Your Honor.
Your Honor, a witness should be allowed to peruse the document.
Please. I think, Mr. Calilong, you may answer if you understand the question.
I will repeat the question, Your
Kindly
Honor.
repeat, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. There were still affidavits of the journalists from media outlets appended on your revised affidavit of investigation, sir.
May I qualify?
No, sir.
Oh.
Just answer yes or no.
Can you direct and make you explain the disparity, if any? The question is simple. Are the affidavits attached to the affidavit of investigation?
Number 6.
Your Honor, my question does not relate to question number
Kindly
6.
show the witness, counsel. If it will enable legend answer.
Can we
to-
please certification and put it to paragraph number 6?
The paragraph number 6 states that minutes of several personality representative from Twitter submits were no individual affidavit executed regarding to the content of the minutes. On this,
Okay, sir. I have no
So the
question.
answer is the affidavits are not attached.
I have executed an affidavit, sir.
No, the
Sir,
affidavits of the two journalists are not attached. I think that's the only question.
Your Honor. Instead, sir, as you confirmed, what you appended to the affidavit of investigation are affidavits of not the journalists who were present
The one
during the November 23, 2024 press conference.
The one who interviewed, sir.
Yeah, the one into it. Not the journalists.
Yes, sir.
Ask an answer.
Revised investigation, February 10, 2025, that you identified, despite DOJ's recommendation number 7, number 7, in the certification dated February 5, 2025, still until the NBI crime division is the
I believe this is answered on the letter of the director.
Sir, my answer is answerable by yes and no. The complainant is crime division.
Yes, sir.
The supposed offended parties in this case would be President Bongbong Marcos,
Yes, sir.
the First Lady Lisa Marcos,
Yes, sir.
the former Speaker of the House Martin Romualdez,
Yes, sir.
President Marcos appear during its investigation.
No, sir.
Marcos appear before the NBI during its investigation.
No, sir.
Did the former Speaker Martin appear before the NBI during its investigation?
No, sir.
Sir, I'm showing you again for the record the affidavit investigation. Attached to Affidavit 10-2025, an affidavit of the President Marcos.
Only the responses.
Sir, question. Honor, sir, so I am entitled to ask again.
Not responsive. The question was, Mr. Witness, did you attach the affidavit of President Marcos to the February 10 affidavit?
No, sir.
Did you attach an affidavit of the First Lady Lisa Marcos? Did you attach an affidavit on your affidavit?
No, sir.
To your knowledge, if you know, sir, did President Marcos file any criminal complaint as a result of the November 23, 2024 online press conference?
He made a statement.
No, sir. My question is, if you know, did the President against the Vice President,
Personal knowledge.
did the First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos file against her?
No personal.
How about the Speaker in Roma? Did he file against VP Sara as a result of the November 23, 2024?
I have no.
Did you really investigate this case?
Oh, Your
Withdrawn,
Honor,
Your Honor.
argumentative,
Withdrawn.
Your Honor, please.
Withdrawn.
Did you really investigate this?
How about
Question
the
has been
Speaker
withdrawn.
Martin Romualdez? In other words, sir, we're not complainants in the case you filed with the Department of Justice.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Based
Thank you.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na bunyog. Kami may pagsayas, isa ang